Is it flashing now?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up, guys? This is a little bit more of the footage from the ride I took, my first ride back. This is the 2025 KTM 300 XCW that we technically have already given away. We just don't know who the winner is yet. We'll do the drawing on this bike as soon as I get the finalists from the sweepstakes company, but I wanted to put a plug in for the sweepstakes that started quietly right after this one closed, and that is for my 2026 KTM 500 EXC-F and the 2026 KTM 300 XC. We're going to be doing a build on this on the 500 EXC-F all summer long to make this thing like an enduro weapon. It's my first 500 and I'm pretty excited about it. I've got like $3,700 worth of parts coming. Some of them are here and some are not. For this 500 EXC-F, I got this from Tacomoto, like a bunch of parts for this thing. So I'm going to try to see if we can make that 500 be a bike that you could take up in the mountains just like this, and also be able to technically ride it on the streets, although I'm not going to be running street tires with it. I've been riding it around like to Home Depot and different things, and anyway, I have some thoughts about it, but I will leave them. But make sure you get entered to win those bikes. The best way to do it is become a member of DBC Garage. Like if you become a member of DBC Garage, you're going to get access to both of these bikes. And the DBC Garage members are going to have a private prize pool for just them. You heard me right. Just them. So $20 a month, and you get access to win this private prize pool. And then you're also simultaneously being entered in to win in the general prize pool, which is what I've always done. So anyway, go to my website and check that stuff out. I'm pretty excited about it, and it's a way for us to keep the channel going. Also, if you're buying stuff for your tires or your gear or anything, use my links to Rocky Mountain ATV all year long, because all year long it's getting you free entries to win my bikes. 12 months out of the year, go to my website, click on the link, and then order anything they sell, and it gets you free entries to win the bikes. It's pretty stinking cool. So thanks so much for all your support. We'll just watch the rest of this video. I'm just chatting it up and riding and being very conservative. And I can't wait to figure out who's going to win this bike. We'll know in about, 10 days or so. So stay tuned on email and on my website and all that stuff to find out more about the winner of this particular bike that I'm on.
Holy strong. And so, I'm just on this kind of danger zone right here. 6 months, because that's where your doctor's gonna, a lot of times your doctor's gonna let you, kind of do more stuff, like start running and start doing more of the activities that you used to do. But the problem is, if you're not careful, you're gonna tear it again, because it's not fully strong. do much other than cool us off. I don't think it's going to rain enough to actually wet the trail. Too thick if it did. But I'm not counting on it.